In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Temu Activity Page. If you use Temu regularly, understanding how to locate and manage your activity page can help you stay organized and keep track of important updates connected to your account. The Activity section is useful because it gives you access to notifications, customer interactions, promotions, and other account-related updates in one place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of finding the Temu Activity Page and adjusting the related notification settings directly from your browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Temu website. You can do this by typing Temu into your search engine and selecting the official website from the search results. Once the homepage loads, make sure you are signed into your account so you can access your personalized dashboard and account settings. After logging in successfully, move toward the top right corner of the screen where your account profile icon is usually located. Depending on your account setup, this may appear as your profile picture or a standard user icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu containing different account and settings options. From this menu, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This area controls how Temu communicates updates and activities related to your account. Once the Notifications page opens, take a moment to review the different categories available. Inside the Notification Settings panel, locate the section related to Customer Activity or Account Activity. This is the area where you can view and manage updates connected to interactions, alerts, promotions, and other activity information associated with your Temu account. Next, click on the Edit or Manage option beside the Customer Activity section. This will open additional settings where you can customize which notifications you want to receive. You may notice several toggle switches that allow you to enable or disable specific alerts depending on your preferences. Carefully review each option and turn on the notifications that are most important to you. This helps you stay informed about useful account updates without receiving unnecessary alerts that may become distracting over time. Adjusting these settings properly can create a much cleaner and more organized online experience. Once you finish customizing your preferences, make sure your changes are saved. Some settings update automatically, while others may require you to click a Save or Apply button before the changes take effect. Double-check everything before leaving the page to ensure your preferences are configured correctly. And that's how you can quickly find the Temu Activity Page and manage your notification settings more effectively. Keeping your activity settings organized can help you stay updated while avoiding unnecessary distractions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.